Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop, and shout out po especially kay Sir Bernardo of Pangasinan. Sir, welcome. This is your unit, the ENC Glock 34. Video testing po natin. The ENC Glock 34 John Wick. So may kasama na siyang gas. Ito po yung kanyang gas, number 12. Ayan, 600 ml. Pop Dyno number 12 standard power, and also comes with 0.20 grams, 4,000 shots na po siya. Ito po yung bala, Airsoft BBs. Okay, ito po yung brand, ENC. Okay, ENC po is a China brand. Airsoft pistol, code number 1202. Yan, 1202. Okay, buksan na natin yung box. May kasama po siyang manual, of course, the manual. At yung unit. Yan, Glock 34, ano siya, John Wick, Glock 34 John Wick. Taran Tactical Innovations and Markings. This is the Gen 3. Okay, generation, the third generation of Glock. Ayan, sa kabilang side naman yan, Combat Master Markings. Magazine niya is 24 rounder capacity. Ayan, magazine. Ano pa ba makakasama? Wala na. Okay, silica gel. Okay, this is the unit, the Combat Master. Again, this ENC Glock 34 John Wick 1202. Ayan. Yung sight alignment niya. Okay. So, sa Combat Master, especially sa mga ganito Taran Tactical na design, kakaiba po yung design ng kanyang serrations. Yan, serrated na po, front and rear. Then, meron na siyang cut on the top of the slide. Also, at sa gilid ng slide, meron din siyang cut. Yan. So, this one is the Gen 3. Meron pa siyang finger grooves. Yung original design ng Gen 3. Combat Master by ENC. Okay, so threaded barrel na rin po siya. Yan. So, pwede nyo pong lagyan ng tracer units yan. Also with the flashlight. So, meron siyang railing. Okay. So, lagyan lang natin ng gas tsaka BBs para matest natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, lagyan lang po natin ng gas. Inverted position, upside down, tapos press. Tutok nyo lang yung nozzle, the nozzle dito sa valve, inlet valve. Tapos tsaka mo siya ipipress. Pag once na nakatutok na po, 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So, ginawa ko pong 5 seconds kasi ENC po siya. Okay, so, kailangan mas marami-raming gas. Lagyan lang natin ng 3 bala lang muna para sa EPS test. Ayan. So, test po natin yung EPS Sir Bernardo o Pangasinan. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, Sir Bernardo, check natin kung ilang EPS ito. Okay, connect lang natin sa phone para dito natin makita sa phone. Wait lang, sir, ha? Okay. Okay, so testing. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, again, shoutout po kay Sir Bernardo of Pangasinan. This is your Glock 34 John Wick by ENC. Yan. Taran Tactical Combat Master. Testing. Firing. 313.2. 313.2. Isa pa. Lumakas. 325.30. 321.70. Then, nag-open chamber. Release nyo lang yung mag. Tapos, atakin nyo lang yung slide. Okay, then now, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, Sir Bernardo, shooting test tayo ng inyong unit. Again, this is the ENC Glock 34 John Wick. Yan, testing. Firing. Okay, open chamber again. Release the mag. And then, hatak nyo lang tong slide, pull back para bumaba yung slide stop kasi may spring po ito eh. Yan. Then, release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Bernardo, okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the Glock 34 John Wick by ENC. Combat Master, Taran Tactical Innovation. If you have more question, message lang po sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.